Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to use Printful with Shopify. The first step you need to take is to create a Printful account. So visit the Printful website and create a free account. Once you've done that, install the Printful app on Shopify. So go to the Shopify app store after creating a free account on Printful app website and then search for Printful and install the official Printful app. Once you've done this, as you've installed it, you'll be prompted to connect your Printful account to your Shopify store. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection. Now you can use the Printful Design Maker to design and add products. So you can choose a product for Printful catalog, e.g. t-shirts, hoodies and mugs, and use the design tools to upload your artwork, art text, and customize the design. And then you can create variants, e.g. different sizes or different colors. Once you're through with that, after creating your Printful design, using a Printful Design Maker to create the product or design the product, the next thing you're going to do is set the pricing. Determine your retail price. Considering Printful production cost and your desired product margin. Always consider those two things when you determine your retail price. The Printful production cost and your desired product margin must be considered. Next, add to Shopify. Once you're happy with your design, click Submit to Store. This will add the product to your Shopify store. Now, the next step is to fulfill orders. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, Printful automatically receives the order information and then Printful produces and ships the order directly to your customer. You will receive notifications and tracking information for each order. Now let's look at the key benefits of using Printful with Shopify. 1. Print on demand. So you don't need to hold on to inventory. It helps to reduce upfront cost and risk because it's print on demand. Then you also have access to a vast catalog of products to print on. Also, easy integration. Printful seamlessly integrates with your Shopify store. You also get high quality printing. Printful uses high quality printing techniques. Then order fulfillment. Printful handles all aspects of order fulfillment from production to shipping. So by following the steps, you can effectively use Printful to create and sell custom products on your Shopify store. Remember to explore the various features and options offered by Printful to optimize your workflow and maximize your sales. Please note that this information is for general guidance only. Specific steps and options may vary slightly depending on the current versions of the Shopify platform and the Printful app. So always refer to the official Printful and Shopify documentation for the most up-to-date and accurate information. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.